Have you ever applied for a credit card, waited for days, and then got that frustrating message? Your application has been declined. It feels like a punch in the gut, right? Well, what if I told you there's a proven way to increase your chances of getting approved for almost any credit card, even the premium ones? Stick around, because today, I'm breaking down exactly how to make banks say yes every single time. Welcome back to RichMap, where we help you make smarter financial moves and grow your wealth with confidence. If you're serious about building credit, earning rewards, and mastering your money, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our weekly finance tips and strategies. All right, let us jump straight into how you can boost your chances of getting approved for any credit card. First things first, understand what banks are really looking for. When you apply for a credit card, lenders aren't just guessing. They analyze your credit profile, your credit score, income, debt levels, and payment history. They want to know one thing. Can you handle credit responsibly? So, before you apply, you need to make sure your credit report looks clean, organized, and trustworthy. Start by checking your credit score. If you're above 700, you already have a strong chance of approval for most mainstream cards. Between 650 and 700 is decent, but you may need to stick with mid-tier options. Below 650, you'll likely need to build or rebuild your credit first. You can check your score for free using websites like Credit Karma, Experian, or directly through your bank's app. Next, review your credit report for errors. You'd be surprised how often wrong information or outdated accounts show up and hurt your chances. Late payments that aren't yours, closed accounts listed as open, or incorrect balances. All of these can drag your score down. Go through your report carefully, and if you spot anything off, file a dispute with the credit bureau. A clean report means a higher score and a higher chance of approval. Now, here's a powerful tip. Build a strong foundation with an existing account. If you already have a bank account or a card with a particular company, apply for your next card with them. Banks love loyal customers because they already have your history. For example, if you've been with Chase or Capital One for a while, applying through your existing account increases your approval odds significantly. It's a simple trust factor. They already know how you manage money. Another crucial step is managing your credit utilization. This is the percentage of your credit limit that you're using. If your limit is $1,000 and you're carrying a $700 balance, that's 70% utilization, and lenders see that as risky. Ideally, keep your utilization below 30%, or even better, under 10%. Paying down balances before you apply can instantly boost your score and make you look more creditworthy. Moving on, avoid applying for too many cards at once. Each time you apply, a hard inquiry is added to your credit report. Too many of those in a short time can make lenders think you're desperate for credit, which lowers your chances of approval. Space out your applications. Ideally, wait at least 3 to 6 months between major credit card applications. Here's another secret that many people overlook. Your income matters more than you think. Lenders want to ensure you can pay your bills. So when you fill out your application, include all your sources of income. Your job, freelance work, side hustles, even spouse or partner contributions if you share finances. The higher your stated, verifiable income, the better your chances. Now, let's talk about the types of cards you're applying for. If you're new to credit, don't go straight for premium cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the Amex Platinum. Those are designed for people with established credit histories. Start small: a student card, secured card, or entry-level cashback card like the Discover It or Capital One, Quicksilver one. Once you've proven you can handle those, upgrade or apply for higher-tier cards later. Think of it like leveling up. Every responsible step builds your reputation with lenders. Here's another insider strategy. Pre-qualification. Most major banks like Chase, American Express, or Citi let you check if you're pre-approved without affecting your credit score. It's a soft inquiry, meaning there's no harm to your credit. Always check for pre-approval before applying. If you're pre-qualified, your approval odds go way up. Also, remember that your payment history is king. It makes up about 35% of your credit score. Even one missed payment can set you back months. Set up auto pay for at least your minimum balance so you never miss a due date. Lenders love consistency. On-time payments show discipline. And that's what approval systems are built to reward. Finally, patience pays off. If you've recently been denied, don't rush into another application. Wait a few months. Work on the reasons for denial. Maybe your score was too low or your utilization too high. Fix those issues, then every small improvement can make a big difference. So there you have it, the blueprint for getting approved for almost any credit card in the US. It all comes down to preparation, timing, and smart financial habits. If you follow these steps, you'll not only improve your approval odds, but you'll also build a credit profile that banks want to lend to. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and share it with someone who's been struggling to get approved. Comment below which credit card you're planning to apply for next ID. Love to hear your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to RichMap for more weekly tips on building wealth, improving credit, and mastering your money. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep mapping your way to financial freedom.